Okay, so we have in store at Stitching Kitchen lots of different fabrics, and a lot of people come in and say, so why these look similar? Why are they different prices? All depends on the fabric composition and the quality of the fibres that are used, and then also sometimes part of the process. So just to show you the difference, this one is a cotton Pima Lawn. Now, I'd never heard the word Pima until our salesperson came in, but Pima Lawn comes from a different kind of cotton plant, and the Pima fibres are longer. The staple length of those fibres is longer, which means that you can have a much smoother thread in the fabric. So this is a Pima Lawn. It is lovely and drapey, incredibly smooth, and this one has got a nice bright, vibrant print on it. You can also get cotton lawn, which isn't from the Pima plant, but from normal, shorter staple length. Again, you get a nice drapey, soft fabric. Beginners are great with cotton lawn as well because it doesn't slide around too much under your sewing machine. So the price differential on these two is not that significant, but it adds up when you're making a dress. So this one here is £8.50 per half metre. This one here is £7 per half metre. Okay, if both of those are a little bit over budget, we can go for something slightly different, which is a very similar weight, and therefore, and this is a beautiful William Morris style print, very similar weight, slightly more drape to it because this is made of viscose. Viscose is again a cellulose fibre, so it's made from usually from tree pulp, which sounds revolting, but it works really, really well. It means it's breathable, lovely on the skin, lovely drape, little bit slippier under the sewing machine, but worth the effort because this is only, well, this particular one is only £5 a metre, which means that making your dress for the summer is going to be extremely affordable. Maybe just, I don't know, less than £30. Amazing.